Hello everyone. In the previous video we discussed report level filtering in Power BI. In this video we will discuss the slicer and how to use the slicer for filtering the data. I've uploaded the file called 48.slicerFiltering on PBIX. I will share a link to this on the video notes so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. I've got the same file open here with me on Power BI desktop. And what I do is I just click on any place on the canvas which is blank, and then I go and select the slicer under visualization. So I click slicers and becomes available to me. And what I'll do is I will do a slicer on calendar year. So I've got this selected, and what I'll do is I'll just click on calendar year. And as you can see, it gives me a slicer from 2005 to 2010, and I can drag it. And you can see that as I keep dragging it, the data reduces. Now I can also, so because it was a date and it's sort of just giving me a range, I can also change that from the range to list. And I can select 2005, 2006. So here I've got to keep the control key pressed to select all of them, and 2008 and 2009, 2010, so forth. Oops. Or I can use the drop down where it says all, or I can select others. I'll just keep the all option selected here for one of the slicers. I move it and resize it a bit. And what I can do is now select outside and again click slicer, and now I can have a slicer on. I'll just go to dim geography and select the English country region name. So it gives me all these options again. Let's say I select Australia, and you will see that automatically the map changes and the graph changes. And let's say I select US as well. And if I select United Kingdom. So what the slicer is doing is it acts a bit like the page level filter, but gives us a little more independence in terms of it is also, we can view what we are filtering on. And if we go to the other page, sales by geo, you will see that it's not filtered anything. So it just works like a page level filter. So in this video, we learned about the slicer and how to use the slicer for filtering the data on Power BI. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.